Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Wednesday, January 5th. Let's find out what is on our number corner calendar. We had equations, and then suddenly we had a story problem. Let's find out what we'll see today. Whoa, another equation. So we have something minus 2 equals 5. Something, a big number, minus 2 equals 5. Some of you may say, well, Mrs. Graham, I don't know what to do. I don't see all of the numbers. When you see a math fact like this, where you don't have that first number there, and it is a subtraction problem. Let me be very clear. When it is a subtraction problem, we know that this missing number has to be the biggest number in that fact family. The way to figure out what that number is to add these two numbers that we do see together, and that will tell us what that biggest number is. So I have a job for you, All Stars. Can you add 5 plus 2? And tell me, what number would we have if we had 5 plus 2? As you think about that, let's go to our calendar grid and begin to put this information on our calendar grid. Something minus 2 equals 5. We'll put in our numbers. We don't know what that big number is yet, so I can't put in the biggest number. But we do have 2, and we do have 5. 2 and 5 are still here. If we think about a number tree, we can think about, wow, we know if we add those two numbers that are on the bottom of our number tree, it gives us the big number on top. What's that big number, class? Did you say 7? If you did, you are absolutely correct. 7 is that big number. So we can write a equation here to explain it. 7 minus 2 equals 5. And then we can write a story problem about it. I had 7 pencils. I gave 2 pencils to my friend. How many pencils do I have left? I'll make it big enough for you to see it. So we have our date. We have our equation that was on the card. We have our number tree. We actually thought about it. Wow. I had 7 pencils. I gave 2 pencils to my friend. How many pencils do I have left? 5. That's a way for you to think about this and solve it. I used using the number tree, turned it into a story problem, and actually wrote the final answer. As we continue to talk more and more about our number corner, let's now talk about the days in school. We love that. All right, let's begin. Yesterday, we had 75 days in school together. Incredible, incredible. Today, we're going to add another day. And I want you to see this. When we have half of this grid covered in, that's 50 days right there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Another group of 10 is 60. Another group of 10 is 70, 75, 76. I'm showing this to you because I want you to think about ways to quickly figure out how many we have taken care of. I'm going to challenge you though. If we have been in school 76 days, how many more days will we need to be in school to make it to the number 80? And I want you to look at this. You have the power to do this. We have 76 days that we've been together. Tomorrow will be 77, 78, 79, 80. So how many more days will we need to make it to the number 80? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more days to make it to the number 80. All right, for those of you who love a challenge, here is the bigger challenge for you. We know it will be 4 more days until we make it to 80 days of school. How many more days will it be until we make it to the 100th day of school? And some of you are saying, I don't know, Mrs. Graham. How can I figure that out? We just did the hardest part of that when trying to figure out how many days would we need to make it to 80. We found out it's just 4 more days. So if this is 80, then another group of 10 would be 90. Another group of 10 would be 100. So 2 groups of 10, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 more days until we make it to the 100th day of school. Can you believe that? Wow. Time is really flying by. We want to change our information here to show 76 days in school. And again, I like showing you the number word because you do need to know how to write these numbers as words. 76 is 7 groups of 10s and 6 ones and 6 ones. So it's 70 plus 6 to give us that 76. Very good, all stars. What we are going to do now is turn our spinner and find out if we're adding pennies or dimes or both today. Let's find out. 4 pennies. So let's add 4 pennies to our chart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does anyone remember how much a penny is worth? Penny, penny worth. If you said 1 cent, yes, absolutely. So right now, at this moment, we have 2 dimes and 4 pennies. We are going to continue to add more to this graph each day. My job for you right now before we close out is this. I'd like you, my All-Stars, amazing All-Stars, to do this for me. I would like you to start counting from the number 70 and go all the way up to the number 90. And then, once you reach the number 90, I want you to count backwards from the number 90 all the way to the number 70. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Have an amazing day, All-Stars. Bye.